It's helicopter cover-up day, just like yesterday. This, I feel, is a direct threat, too. Every time they come at me, considering they've flown police helicopters 20 feet over my head, and military helicopters, letting me know that it's a direct threat. It's That's a standard blue and white police helicopter with the blue tail and the white front. The regular size. I know of 4 or 5 sizes. That's the standard. It's large, but it's not the largest. They just flew a helicopter over that was blue and white, but not like that. And it had a sharper front, more like the military. And then they flew a police helicopter by. This is all very late in the game, so they're going to try to do the thing where you just mix it all up. The timing is significant because it's at the end, and they can't just fly one by, and then the police one by, and then the painted military one by, and then a super stallion by, and make it all okay. So I'm going to be here recording everything. That was the standard police helicopter following the odd helicopter that has never flown by before.